Dear children, let us continue the chapter statistics. Now let us discuss about the median. You know what is median? In your previous classes, in your 9th standard, you studied that median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation in the data. What is median? Median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation in the data. And you know that mean, median, mode, these are the three measures of central tendency. So median is also one of the measure of central tendency, and it is the value of middlemost observation in the data. Now let us discuss about the median of ungrouped data. To find the median of ungrouped data, we have to arrange the given data in the ascending order. We have to arrange the data values of the observation in ascending order, and we have to find the number of scores, and also we have to verify whether n is odd or even. If n is odd, then the median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation becomes the median. If n is even, the average of n by 2th observation and n plus 1 by 2th observation becomes the median. If n is even, then what is the median? Then median is the average of n by 2th observation and n plus 1 by 2th observation. N by 2th observation and n plus 1 by 2th observation divided by 2. Average means we have to take the n by 2th observation, and also we have to take the n plus 1 by 2th observation. Average of that 2 becomes the median of the data, median of the observations if n is even. So now let us take one example here. Find the median of the following data which gives the marks out of 50 obtained by 100 students in a test. Here n is what? N is 100. N equals 100, and it is given that marks scored by the 100 students out of 50 marks is given. See here, marks obtained 20 marks obtained by 6 students and 29 marks obtained by 28 students, 28 marks obtained by 24 students, 33 marks obtained by 15 students, 42 marks obtained by 2 students, 38 marks are obtained by 4 students, and 43 marks were obtained by 1 student, and 25 marks were obtained by 2 students. Now, to find the median of this data, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. Arrange the data in descending or ascending order. So now let us take the data in the ascending order. So which is the list here? That is 20, and its frequency is 6. Next you take 25 and its frequency is 2. 25, its frequency is 2. Then you take next one is 28. 28, its frequency is 24. Then you take next one is 29. 29, its frequency is 28. Next you take 33. 33, here 20 is over, 25 is over, and 28 is over, 29 is over. Next you take 33. 30, 3, its frequency is 15. Frequency is 15. Next you take 42, its frequency is, here next we have to take not 42, we have to take 38. Next we have to take 38, its frequency is 4. Then you take 42, its frequency is 2. 42, frequency is 2. Then the last one is maximum, that is 43. Its frequency is 1. Frequency is 1. So you got 26 times, 25 2 times, 28 24 times, 29 28 times, 33 15 times, 38 4 times, 42 2 times, 43 1 time. Here the corresponding frequencies are taken like this way. And next one column is required here, that is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. So what is that cumulative frequency? Here you write, you know that 20 comes 6 times. And up to 25, 6 plus 2 equals 8. Next, up to 28, 8 plus 24. 8 plus 24 that you have to take, that is 32. Next, up to 29 is 32 plus 28, that is 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 20, 60 you got. That is 60. Now let us tabulate. First you write the minimum is 20. 20 frequencies, number of students 6. The next one is 25. 20. 25, its frequency is 20. Next you take, the next one is 28. 28 24. Then 29 28. Next you take 33 15. Then after that you take 38. 38 is how many times? 4 times. 38 students, 38 marks are scored by 4 students. Next you take 42. 42 marks are scored by 2 students, and 43 marks are scored by 1 student. In these observations, 26 times, 25 20 times, 28 24 times, 29 28 times, and 33 15 times, 38 4 times, 42 2 times, and 43 1 time. So here next one column is required, that is cumulative frequency. What is that cumulative frequency? Here 20 comes 6 times, you write that is. Next up to 25. Up to 25, that is 6 plus 20. 6 plus 20, you will get 26. Up to 28, that is 26 plus 24. You will get 50. Next up to 29, 50 plus 28. 50 plus 28, that is 78. up to 33, 78 plus 15. 78 plus 15, so you will get, that is 93. And up to 38, 93 plus 4. Up to 38, 93 plus 4. So you take 93 plus 4 is 97. And up to 42, 97 plus 2, 97 plus 2, 99. Up to 43, here actually up to 50, the last one is maximum is 43 out of 50. 99 plus 1, 100 you got. And here the number of students also, you will get sum of all frequencies. Then here sum of all frequencies is 100. So you got that n equals 100. N equals 100 and n is even here. N is even. You know that as n is even means you must find the n by 2th score and n plus 1 by 2th score, and next we have to find the average of that 2, which is the median of the given data. So you take n by 2th score, that is n is 100, 100 by 2th score, you will get 50th score. 50th score. 50 comes here, and then it is, you have to take, this is 50th score, which is the 50th score here. 50th score is 28. Next you take n plus 1 by 2th score or 2th observation you take, that is 100 plus 1 by 2 2th score, that is 100 plus 1 by means 101 by 2th score. So then you will get 50 plus, that is approximately equals to 51th score. 51st score here, 50.5 you will get, that is nothing but 51st score. 51st score means, that is, you must take, that is 29, because after 50, 51st score comes here. So you must take this group. So this is the 51st score you take, that is 29. 29. Then you take the average of that 2. Median equals 28 plus 29 by 2, average of the n by 2th observation and n plus 1 by 2th observation. N by 2th observation is 28, n plus 1 by 2th observation is 29. Average of this 2 means 28 plus 29 by 2. 28 plus 29 is 57 by 2, it is 28.5. So the median of the given data is 28.5. Now let us see how to obtain the median of grouped data. So see, the situation is here. Consider a grouped frequency distribution of marks obtained out of 100 by 53 students in a certain examinations are as follows. Now from the above table, let us try to answer the following questions. How many students have scored marks less than 10? And you know that 0 to 10 scored 5. How many students have scored less than 20? Observe that the number of students who have scored less than 20 include the number of students who have scored marks 0 to 10 as well as the number of students who have scored marks from 10 to 20 also. So the total number of students with marks less than 20 is 5 plus 3. We say that the cumulative frequency of the class 10 to 20 is 8. Similarly, the cumulative frequency of 20 to 30 is 5 plus 3 plus 4. Now let us obtain the cumulative frequency. Here 0 to 10 scored 5 students, and 0 to 20 scored 5 plus 3 students, 0 to 30 scored 5 plus 3 plus 4, and 0 to 40 scored 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. They are the cumulative frequencies. Then you write here, first you take 5. Next cumulative frequency is 5 plus 3, 8. Next cumulative frequency is 8 plus 4, 12. Next cumulative frequency is 12 plus 3, 15. Next cumulative frequency is 15 plus 3, 18. 15 plus 3 is 18. Next cumulative frequency is 18 plus 4, that is 22. Next cumulative frequency is 22 plus 7, 29. Next cumulative frequency is 29 plus 9, 38. Next cumulative frequency is 38 plus 7, that is 45. 45. Next 45 plus 8 is 53, as there are 53 students. Next here we have to find the median class. Median class means that is the middlemost. So we have to find the cumulative frequency of all the classes and n by 2 and n by 2. Now we locate the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or nearest to n by 2. Here n equals how much? N equals 53. Then n by 2 means 53 by 2, that is, you know that 26.5 you will get. 26.5. 26.5 means that is nearest to 29. Here the class whose cumulative frequency 29 is greater than and nearest to 26.5. So we have to consider the class, this one. 60 to 70 is the median class, because n is 53, n by 2 is 26.5, nearer to greater is to 26.5 is 29. So we have to consider the class 60 to 70 is the median class. After finding the median class, we use the formula for calculating the median. So the formula to find the median is median. It is an important formula. You write median equals L plus, you write n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here you know L is the lower limit of the median class. L is the lower limit of median class, and n is the number of observations, that is here 53, total number of observations. CF is the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Preceding the median class. And F is the frequency of median class. Frequency of median class, and H is the class size. Here assuming class size to be equal, that is the class size. Here, what is the formula to find the median of the grouped frequency distribution table? That is median equals L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. So here what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class, and n is the number of observations, that is the total number of frequencies, and Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is the cumulative frequency of the previous class, and F is the frequency of the median class, and H is the class size. Here the median class is 60 to 70, so L is 60 and F is the frequency of the median class, that is 7, and Cf is 22, and size of the class is 10 minus 0, 20, 10, 20 minus 10, 10, all are having same size. So you write L equals 60, N is the number of observation, that is 53, and F is the frequency of the median class, you got 7, and Cf is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 22, and size of the class is 10. Here you got the values of L, F and Cf, and size of the class also. Now you write the formula. Formula is median equals L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H, that equals L is 60 plus N is 53, right, 53 by 2 minus Cf is 22 by F is 7 into H, then that equals 60 plus 53 by 2 is already calculated, that is 26.5 minus 22 by 7 into H, you write. H value is to be substituted, you write 10 it is. Then that equals 60 plus 26 minus 5 minus 22 is 4.5 by 7 into 10. That equals 60 plus 4.5 into 10 is 45 by 7. 4.5 into 10 is 45. Then you write the value of 45 by 7, divide 45 by 7, 7 6 are 42, then you will get 3, point you put, 7 4s are 28, so 2 is the remainder. Then you write 60 plus 6.4, therefore median equals 60 plus 6.4 is 66.4. 66.4. The median of this frequency distribution is 66.4. Here we have to use the formula median equals L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. There is a empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency. That relation is 3 median equals 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean, and also you can write that is mode equals 3 median minus 2 mean. That is the relation between the three measures of central tendency. The median of grouped data with unequal class sizes can also be calculated. However, we shall not discuss it here.